Hello friend, welcome to Bankways and I am Anandam. Friend, the recruitment panel of the Apex Bank of India RBI has released the vacancies for the post of legal officer in grade B, architect in grade A and the others for the year 2022. Friend, as you notice that the notification date is January 15, 2022. Friend, RBI addresses the eligible candidate at the very outset of its notification how the life with RBI is a commitment to serve the nation, where their decisions make an impact on the way the economy and the financial sector in the country evolves. RBI exhorts them to come to RBI if they are looking for an ecosystem that encourages continuous learning, an equal opportunity work environment, a supportive HR climate, and of course, an attractive compensation structure. Friend, the RBI notification further says that an exciting array of job roles are handled by our officers, that is to say, the recruited officers depending upon their postings. So friend, you have already learned how prestigious the career in RBI is that satisfies you with its lucrative salary of rupees 1,16,000. Now friend, let's discuss the exam pattern of the legal officer post, which requires your bachelor's degree in law and the Bar Council of India with a minimum of 50% marks. It also requires 2 years experience in practicing law as an advocate or legal consultant or legal assistant after being enrolled with the Bar Council. The maximum age is 32 years as on January 1st, 2022. Friend, now let's discuss the exam pattern of this exam. The selection will be through online and offline exams and interviews. The exams will consist of objective and descriptive type questions which you notice on the screen. Friend, there would be two papers set in the exam. Paper 1 will comprise objective and descriptive type questions, but paper 2 will fully be based on English, which will be strictly descriptive in nature. It will carry 100 marks and you will get 3 hours time, which is good enough to submit all the answers. Okay, friend, let us go into details about the descriptive English paper, which would definitely be a game changer paper and you must not take it for granted. As for the handouts released last year in 2021, the descriptive English paper of yours comprises 4 sections: essay carrying 40 marks, précis carrying 24 marks, comprehension comprising carrying 16 marks and letter, report or circular carrying 20 marks. For the post of architect grade A, the descriptive English paper will comprise 4 questions: précis writing, comprehension, official letter writing, report writing, etc. Friend, etc. implies in the notification that essay writing may also be there, replacing either report or letter. For 4 questions, 75 minutes will be allotted and maximum marks will be 100. Friend, Bankways is a fully specialized platform for descriptive English preparation. We assist you with exclusive fodder materials of essays, précis, comprehension, letters and reports fully updated to date. Besides the fodder materials, we provide you with an exclusive facsimile interface of descriptive English mocks sufficient in number. Mocks are available section-wise and full length. You get the evaluation of your answers within 24 hours time from our experts. You can ask doubts regarding your evaluation directly from the experts of ours. So why wait? Come to our platform www.bankways.com and start valuable and quality preparation. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.